In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the ChatGPT Atlas browser to compare two advanced gadgets, specifically the iPhone 17 and the Samsung S25. Whether you're in the market for a new smartphone or simply interested in the latest tech specs, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the ChatGPT Atlas browser. This platform provides a seamless experience, allowing you to effortlessly integrate AI into your browsing for detailed insights and comparisons. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download and set it up on your device. Once you're all set and the browser is open, you'll need to create two separate tabs. These tabs will serve as our dedicated spaces for comparing our chosen devices, which, in this scenario, are the iPhone 17 and the Samsung S25. Now, at the top of your ChatGPT Atlas browser, you'll see an area to manage your tabs. Create these two tabs by clicking on the New Tab icon or using your preferred keyboard shortcuts for this action. Once you have both tabs ready, label them accordingly to keep your workspace organized. This will enhance clarity as you navigate through the upcoming steps. Next, you'll notice that each tab has an option on the right side, labeled Ask ChatGPT. This is your key to unlocking detailed, AI-driven insights. Click the Ask ChatGPT button on either of the tabs. The button is specifically designed to harness the power of AI to provide you with a comprehensive comparison of whatever you're interested in, which in our case are these two high-end smartphones. As you click this button, it's time to craft a thoughtful comparison prompt. The prompt you design is crucial as it will guide the AI in delivering the most informative response possible. To do this, consider what features and specifications are most important to you. For example, you might focus on aspects such as battery life, camera quality, display, or any other feature that's pivotal in making your decision. Take a moment to articulate this comparison prompt carefully, ensuring it's clear and concise. Once you've drafted your prompt, it's time for action. Click Submit. Doing so engages the AI, prompting it to analyze and process your request with remarkable speed. Within moments, you'll receive a detailed and insightful comparison to aid your decision-making process. Remember, while the AI is highly effective, it's always good to cross-reference with additional trustworthy sources if needed to ensure accuracy. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can leverage the advanced capabilities of the ChatGPT Atlas browser to make well-informed comparisons with ease and confidence. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy browsing!